Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to change up the blog archive layout in WordPress blocksy. Okay, so beyond just one row, four cards here, so on and so forth, we can change how these appear with the cards, with the post featured images, the names, and the categories, and so forth. Let's go ahead and click on Customize to get started and enter the WordPress customizer. Okay, once we're here, we have our preview. We can scroll down under blog posts, and first and foremost, we are greeted with, well, blog title. We can disable that or enable it, and we can change the breadcrumbs, how it looks like, and the bottom spacing and things like that. We can also change the design, the font color, and so forth. Let's go back here, and under blog structure, we have 5 different options to choose from. So let's click on Simple. Okay, we have Classic. We have Grid, which we had a while ago. We have Enhanced Grid. We have Gutenberg. I think I like the simple one, just to make some changes to it. We can change how many posts appear, so we can have just 3 posts. And for each of the cards, we can have options. So we can hide or unhide, hide or show, our featured images, our post metas. We can enable excerpts, right? We can put read more. We can put a post meta. And if you click on these arrows, you can configure how big the images are, right? We can have square images. We can have hover effects on them, right? And links to the post if you click on them. And we can change the bottom spacing. For our titles, we can change what size our font is. The excerpt, we can change the read more button, how it looks like. I'll put an arrow onto it and change the bottom spacing and all of these, right? So here we can even change what's hidden and shown on our meta. Let's say we only wanted to show who the author was, and it's me. Hi, everyone. And we can also change the divider size, divider style. And we can also show the divider here. We can also show a content block, which we have. We don't have enabled. And we can also change the gap and the inner spacing, right? And we can also change the horizontal alignment for each one, depending on what you want. And we can also change our vertical options, and we can also enable or disable the card reveal effect. Oh, there you go. It's like an animation, basically. And once we're happy with that, let's go ahead and click on Publish to save our changes. Let's reload our site to see how it looks like now. And we've successfully customized our blog archive layout in WordPress blocksy. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.